and we are recording on the DJI and the GoPro. So maybe we can use them to get different angles. While I'm doing the editing, maybe, I don't know. And of course, there's Gigi over there. She's working with her vinyl stuff and digital print stuff. So she's on the clock at 2 jobs. She's trying to earn her keep, I guess.
I'm not talking to you. Leave me alone. He gonna come up missing, right?
I'm saying nothing.
Tell her, say, work, Gigi, work, make that money.
Yeah. I'm going to here.
I'm gonna show you ball.
Because you're going to be on YouTube in a little while and people going to see you acting like that. They're going to think you crazy or something.
Or bratty.
Yeah, he watched one of our videos and decided he wanted to be on YouTube. So that's what we're doing today.
Well, I do need to tell one story for the 2 girls. My 2 girls that asked me to tell the story.
Uh-oh.
So,
I'm scared.
wait a minute.
Right?
I'm scared.
I agree, buddy.
32 years ago,
Bye.
when I was pregnant with our first kid.
Bye, YouTubers.
Hush for a minute. And we lived in the country.
Y'all heard that, country.
Shut up. And I've never lived in the country before. I was from a little city. So all the moo cows and birds and whatnot they was new to me. I didn't know what they were. I mean, I knew what moo cows were. And anyway, I seen a bird and I thought it was chicken.
No, a turkey.
And
it was a buzzard.
Yes, it was a buzzard and I called it a turkey.
Yes.
Yes. So, and then one time I called a guinea. I didn't even know there was such a bird as a guinea back then. I called it a chicken, I think.
A funny looking chicken with a white head.
Yeah, that.
Yes, you
so,
did.
The other day, our middle son sent me a text of a buzzard that was in this house he was wiring up and said, "Look, Mom, it's a turkey." So there you go, my girls. I just hit the wrong button.
And it was a buzzard?
It was a buzzard. I have a picture of it. He said,
how'd you know what the difference was?
Because he said, "Hey, Mom, look, it's a turkey."
So you knew it was a buzzard?
But it's red. The red.
A turkey's got red on her face.
Shut up. I knew it was a buzzard.
Shut up.
Shut up. I knew it was a buzzard. What?
You.
Easy killer.
YouTube gonna see you get beat down today.
And they're gonna see Bubbles get beat down.
Yes, Bubbles is gonna get beat down.
Yeah.
No part of that.
Mm-hmm. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know why I'm making so many.
We only really need 6.
10. Well, I'm making 10.
I put 1 on the mouse pad. I think I'm gonna put like 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9 on the mouse pad. Just put them everywhere.
Yeah, that's fine. Anyway, that's my story from my girls.
And it's not real dark on the mouse pad.
I seen it.
So I think I got the settings wrong.
You do?
Yeah, on the press.
Oh, I know part of the problem you're having.
What?
You need to heat it up.
Heat the bottom up too?
You need to heat whatever you're putting this on. Has to be heated up so there's no moisture, like how it stays cold in the house.
Yeah.
Everything has to be heated up. You can heat it up by the press. I thought about throwing it in the dryer.
No.
You only need it heated up.
No, you ain't throwing the hats in the dryer.
Shut up.
Hats.
Anybody need a husband?
No, see, I'm still learning on this digital print stuff that she has decided to take up. So when she took up the hobby, the business, or whatever you want to call it, that means I took up, not her. She'll say, "Here, do this."
You're bald-faced lie. You ain't done none of this.
Well, that's because I got to let you do it.
You said you knew how to do the digital print, so guess whose job it is?
No, I said I know how to run that press.
Same thing.
Mm-mm.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Be quiet.
No, it isn't.
I'm gonna make you do it.
So, you wanna talk to the viewers out there and
Bye.
what?
Why did you want to be on YouTube then?
You wanted to be on YouTube. You got to sit up and talk to them. Let them know.
Yep.
When you look right here in this camera, you're looking at all of the viewers that watches your video. You're talking to them. What? That's what you do. You talk to them.
Is that when I'm talking to Gigi?
Yes, or somebody else. So, because all of your viewers that clicked on your channel or your videos, they're behind this camera right here.
So, if you know, Bubbles is a crackhead.
Yeah, y'all can look at me and tell I'm a crackhead. So.
And then Gigi's a ball face laugh.
Oh!
No, ball face
I will.
turkey.
That's better.
Ball
That's
face
way
turkey.
He
better.
didn't let that mouth get away, not paying attention to what he's saying.
Boy, I will take this. I don't even know the seatbelt off.
I might even edit that stuff out, just cause they gonna think you really crazy.
We're not editing. It's unedited.
No, it's real life unedited. We're not editing what we say or trying to be somebody we're not. We're being real. That's the part that's unedited.
No.
Some of our videos will be edited. I didn't say it's real life unedited videos. It's
I'm
real
not
life
sorry.
unedited. So
I can't.
in the future, if you guys see our videos being edited,
Look.
then y'all know.
You know it's because
Like and subscribe
Because
to
some
our
little
channel.
goofy
he is.
new YouTuber back here saying crazy stuff, or
Now what?
I mean, talk.
because you never know what is going to come out of his mouth.
Ever.
Like and subscribe to our channel.
Please and thank you.
Please and thank you.
And quit talking like a baby.
For real.
You ain't no baby.
Alright, this is what the cow. Mirror. Gotta do mirror.
Yeah, we're actually sitting under a bank
Awning.
owning the drive-through teller because it's raining so hard outside and I wanted to roll the windows down. So, and we're just waiting. We've actually declined the last two because they are not even $1 a mile, and I just didn't think it was worth it. I'd rather sit here,
And talk to our viewers.
yes, and talk to our viewers.
You better stop talking like a baby. You're too old for that.
hmm
Just calm down.
So the
please.
whole world is going to see you act like a baby. You want them to think you're a baby.
Oh,
You ain't
yeah.
a baby. Well,
I didn't mean to hit that print button.
but yes, if y'all just listen, there's no telling what you'll hear come out of his mouth. I think the DJI Action 5, looking at my phone, it's actually got a clear video, and my GoPro is the Hero 7. I've had it for a really long time. It's been a really good camera.
Really long.
I have no complaints about this camera except the battery. The battery did not last even when it was new, before it got to where it wouldn't hold a charge. But that happened with anything you buy. You're taking a chance. I mean, new cars, new watches, new anything that's battery operated, you liable to get a bad battery. And guess what? I won that lottery that day. I got the bad battery.
I got a bad battery in your earbud you gave me.
No, that's because you use it too much.
Stupid iPods. I have to charge them all the time.
That's because you use them that much.
No, I know. But I
It's
shouldn't
not
have
the
to charge
battery's
them.
fault.
It is. You need to have a better battery. Apple! Your iPods need a better battery.
AirPods.
AirPod, whatever. Them things.
Oh, nah, brother. Nah.
What do you say?
Now, sucker, or something. I don't know.
No, nah, brother. Nah.
Do I look like your brother?
Right?
You do.
Okay.
I don't think so. You want me to tilt that up so it'll quit falling out?
I do have
So
a
when,
brother.
So when you set that in there, it's got time to close.
You do not have
You
a
do
brother.
not have a brother. You are a only child.
Apparently, you're going to stay an only child.
No, I have a brother.
He's not your brother.
He needs to stay an only child. I cannot afford no more.
Nope, 3's enough.
3 keeps me broke, and then some.
And the other one's got a birthday coming up.
Don't
2 months.
remind me.
2
'Cause
months.
I ain't got no money.
They're not coming up. So you should get onto him on YouTube.
What?
Get onto them on YouTube.
Oh,
They're not coming up.
my youngest son.
Middle kid.
Youngest son, no matter how you look at it,
Still the middle kid.
been telling us he was gonna come up and what?
You know what this one said to me?
What?
Gigi, I feel like the middle child. I said, what are you talking about?
What does a middle child feel like?
Tell Bubbles what a middle child feels like.
Normally, like, when you want something
Uh huh.
and your brother gets it, and if she says the brother can have it, and if she says, and if you say, can I have it, you don't get it. If she says
Where
no.
did you hear that nonsense?
Billy on YouTube. So whoever Billy on YouTube is needs to be quiet while he's talking to these kids.
Billy, on YouTube. Man, do you realize what you got this 6-year-old thinking? A middle child can't have nothing. But the brother can. Older brother, younger brother, whatever it may be. Younger brother is what he said. So, how can you feel that way? In real life, it don't work that way. In your own little world, you may have felt like that growing up. But, yeah, I'd probably say it really wasn't like that.
No.
I don't know, but
Middle child.
parents love all of their children the same, but in separate ways.
Yep, all of them different.
But it's the same love. So, sorry I had to put that on my channel, y'all, but I just felt like that needed to be said. That was crazy.
Well, tell me. That's
I don't even know what I was talking about
You
now.
were talking about the middle kid not coming up. I said get on to him.
Oh, yeah. I can say his name even.
I probably wouldn't.
I'm not, but I could. Anyway, if you watch this video, boy, you and your wife and that grandbaby,
You is more country than I am.
Hey.
Your wife.
leave me alone, need to come up here and bring that baby up here so we can see the baby. We want to see y'all too, but we want to see the baby. So, he's been saying he was going to come up. And, well, they still ain't come up. It's been 2 years. Over 2 years.
And we need still
So,
50
We
subscribers.
still waiting.
We talking about Unc and the baby coming
Yes.
up. And his wife.
So,
I'm not
yes,
trying
we
to
need
say their
50
names.
subscribers so we can go live tomorrow.
Yes.
But I don't think we're going to hit 50. I really wanted to do this car show live. Try out the new live features on the Action 5 Pro. But it don't look like that's going to happen. Unless it'll let me go to TikTok live. I can do TikTok live. I did the last one live from my phone. Even though it told me I couldn't go live, it was recording live and I didn't know. So, but it saved me the time of putting video out. It was already going, so it worked out. What you
He's hitting my feet.
I'm boxing it.
Well, it's not a thing that you box with, whatever you call that, a boxing bag.
So much for door dashing. We was door dashing and now we're waiting. I knew I should have went ahead and started recording on the last one so they could at least see one. It was a Pizza Hut, you know,
For $2.
surprise. Pizza Hut.
That's all I've done. is
Pizza
that.
Hut and Taco Bell is the main places we deliver for.
I've done Pizza Hut and Little Caesars.
Oh yes, and Little Caesars. I
All
forgot.
day. That's all I've done. All afternoon.
Pizza Hut, and
No,
Little Caesars.
Dollar Store. I did that one at
Dollar
Dollar Store
Store.
too. I don't even know. I think it was just one. What did I tell you
So-
about?
Sorry.
I think I'm gonna cut the cameras off for now to try to save battery. I really hate to because you never know what Gigi's gonna do over there,
Shut up.
or what she's gonna say.
I won't get
But
you dirty.
I need to, I need to save battery. So if we get any more deliveries, it says I'm down to 64% on the Action 5 Pro, so my GoPro is probably about dead already. if I had to guess. That battery does not last. I guess I'm going to order a new battery for the GoPro and keep using it if this works out with 2 cameras.
Oh, my stars.
And my next purchase is going to be the Pocket, the DJI Pocket 3. I think I want it. I don't know.
Please calm down.
I do have another video I'm going to try to make tonight, if I can, of another unboxing a DJI product. I think I mentioned it on one of my other videos, and I'm going to try to make that video start tonight, but it won't be released until probably next week, but at least we'll have it. So I'm actually got more videos than I can release right now, because I'm trying to get 1 to 2 videos a week out, and if I use them all up and put out there what I got now, then I won't have nothing.
Who?
Don't look heavily with your soda.
Because with my work schedule, I stay so busy, I don't record while I'm at work because of my job. So it's nothing bad, but it's
Stupid.
It's municipal. I'll put it like that.
It's stupid.
So, but
Gigi, you're not gonna be on YouTube anymore.
Okay, cool.
yes, she is. She's the main character on YouTube, because everybody that watches the channel, they only watch her videos that she's in. They don't watch none of mine. So we gotta have Gigi.
Not really.
Yes.
I lost my breath.
So, anyway, I think I covered everything for this little bit. Maybe we'll get a good dash in a minute. I'll start the recording before we leave.
And Trey does not DoorDash. He just drives.
Yes, he does.
No, he
He
don't.
does
He
DoorDash.
just drives.
And by the way,
He's the chauffeur.
y'all heard that right. My grandchildren call me Bubbles, thanks to Gigi.
You're welcome.
Said something to do with a monkey on Michael Jackson or something.
Michael Jackson's monkey.
I don't understand how that come about, but anyway, that's what she's got these babies calling me. It's Bubbles. So,
Yeah.
but it's pretty cool because I ride a Harley, and when people hear Bubbles, they don't think of a bearded Harley rider.
Old
so,
dude.
Old man, yeah. So I think it's pretty cool. I got used to it. Kind of like it now.
Everybody calls you Bubbles now.
Yes, everybody calls me Bubbles.
But you gotta quit breathing on me. You run them little German
But
kids all day.
anyway, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. We will try to get new content out as often as we can. And we do more than DoorDash, and that's just all we got going on right now because it's keeping us that busy. Other than, right now, sitting here in the rain. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, thumbs up button. If you don't like it, thumbs down. That way it lets YouTube know at least you looked at my video. And I guess that's about it. For now, I will start the recording back if we get a dash soon, but if not, we got to go work on some hats for the Cruising for Kids car show.
Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow, which will be the 26th, April 26th, in Flemingsburg, Kentucky.
And they might have the bubble truck.
Yes, they'll have a bubble truck.
Yes, sir.
They'll have inflatables.
I'm gonna say John Cena.
All kind of vendors there.
I'm gonna say
But
John
by the
Cena.
time y'all see this video, it'll be too late.
Stop doing that.
But it's an annual event, and I will keep y'all posted when the next one is coming about. What day? It'll be in April, but I just don't know what day. They try to do it every April because that's Child Abuse Awareness Month, and we try to contribute to that. It is a very good cause. So
That's one we did last.
anyway, thanks for watching, and we will catch y'all in a little while.